Hey everyone, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com, and in this video I'm going to go over a great way to make money with Matterport that maybe you haven't thought of before. Alright, so real quick before we jump into this video, if you haven't seen any of my previous announcements on this, I am giving away a brand new DJI RS5 gimbal, and time is running out. I'm picking a winner on June 1st, so if you haven't gotten your name in yet, all you have to do is follow me over on Instagram at Burke Multimedia and DM me there, RS5, and you're entered to win. Alright, so if you're anything like me, maybe you're not doing a lot of Matterports these days. I barely get them anymore for real estate listings. I get a few here and there. Some of my clients are into them and get them, but it's very sparse. So it's not been a great, money maker really in the real estate sphere. But I did fall into this new way to make money with Matterport just out of nowhere. I had a realtor refer me to one of her construction clients, and they hired me to come do a Matterport of the home before it was insulated. So it's just a framed house, and it has all the, electrical installed, all the plumbing installed. And they have me come in and scan the house before it's insulated and the walls are closed. So therefore, later on, they can take a look at the scan and they can see exactly what's behind the walls in the house. So they can see where all the pipes are, all the electrical is, in case they need to fix something later or access, a pipe or an electrical, conduit or anything like that. It's all there in the Matterport, and they can see exactly where it is and open the wall without having to do guesswork and all that. So I did that first scan for that one company maybe about 2 years ago, and then it just kind of exploded from there. They gave my name out to all these other construction companies saying, you got to check this out, call this guy, because this is like a game changer. It's been so helpful to them that just by nature of it, they just want to tell everyone else about it. So just by word of mouth and referrals, it's really just taken off. So if you have Matterport stuff kind of laying around gathering dust because you're not really doing it a lot for real estate like I was, then you may be missing out on a really good opportunity here in the construction space to make some really good money, because I'm telling you, it's boosted my revenue by thousands of dollars a year the past couple of years, and it's only growing from there. So if this is something you're interested in, if you haven't gotten into it already, then I just wanted to go over some hurdles that I learned about along the way so you can avoid those from day one. All right, so without further ado, let's jump into it. Before we dive back into the video, I want to quickly tell you about our sponsor, PixelMob. If you're a real estate photographer looking to lighten your workload, or struggling to find a reliable editor, or just not getting the professional results that you're looking for, then PixelMob is the solution. PixelMob is a platform built by real estate photographers for real estate photographers that connects you with skilled editors for all types of real estate photo editing, including but not limited to HDR blending, flambient, object removal, virtual staging, and even video editing. Every editor in their marketplace is vetted to ensure quality, and I love that there's a peer review system so you can see ratings before choosing the right editor for your job. Plus, the editors only get paid once you're fully satisfied with the results. PixelMob is a much needed resource in our industry and can make a huge difference in your workflow. Signing up is completely free, and if you use my link, pixelmob.com/IREP, you'll get $5 in credit towards your first order. You'll also find that link down in the description of this video. So do yourself a favor and go check out PixelMob. I'm confident that you're going to be thrilled with what they have to offer. First, real quick, let's just talk about gear. You could use one of the 360 cameras, like a Theta, Z1 or whatever. But I would recommend for this, the Matterport Pro camera. This is the Pro 2, this is the older one. Of course, it's the Pro 3, which is extremely expensive, but you can get used Pro 2s. Like I got this one for 900 bucks. So that's an easy no-brainer investment for this, because you'll make that back in no time whatsoever, as long as you start getting these gigs. So I would recommend at least getting the Pro 2. It's just more accurate, better battery life, and I think there's more features involved with this. It's just a more robust solution, especially for these construction projects. So other than a nice sturdy tripod, which of course you'll need for the Matterport camera, the other piece of gear that I highly recommend you absolutely need to get really, and this is one of those hurdles that I learned about along the way, is some sort of light, like a work light like this. This is pretty cheap. I think it was 30 bucks at Home Depot. It's just like a Husky work light. It charges via USB, so it's perfect. You don't need to change batteries or anything. No like external charger battery. Like it's all one unit. You just charge it up, USB-C. and you know, the legs spread apart, and you can just put it on the ground like this. You know, it turns on, super bright. So yeah, you need this because in these construction sites, particularly in the basement, there's no lights down there. A lot of these construction sites have no electricity. Sometimes they'll have work lights down there, but a lot of times there's no lighting whatsoever. So when you go down into a basement, it's pretty much pitch black. So I just move this along with me in each room as I scan it, and just I'll light up the, you know, general area that I'm in, so you can see all the pipes and everything on the ceiling and everything like that. So this is an essential piece of gear that you need to get for this. All right, so let's talk about another really important part about this, which is pricing. And this is another thing that I learned the hard way here, because like I said, the first time I did this was a referral from a real estate agent that I worked for. And I didn't think anything of it. I thought this was just a one-off thing that I would probably never do again. I had no idea it was going to blossom into what it turned into. So I just charged them, you know, my regular real estate rate for a Matterport scan. The truth of the matter here is that we're now in like commercial realm here with construction companies. We're not doing residential real estate here. So we can charge, you know, a much more higher price for this service. This has a high value for them that they're going to refer to it for years to come. So they have no problem paying, you know, a good amount for this. So what I recommend is at least charging double what you would charge for real estate. I would say $500 minimum for these, if not higher. You know, when I did it for this first construction company I got involved with, much later on, as I got friendly with them, they told me like they had some guy quoting them for a whole, not Matterport, but for this sort of service with some sort of other technology. I don't know what it is, to be honest with you, but they said it was around $5,000. So I think you could even get in the, you know, over 1,000, maybe 1,500 for this even, like, and they would pay for it. So I'm toying around with this with new clients that come my way. I'm charging much more, you know, higher prices as they come in. So, but again, like at least double, $500 minimum, if not more. So I'm telling you, that's why I'm saying this is a great thing. I wanted to let you guys know about it because the potential here to make good money is really there in this space. So definitely consider doing this. All right, so that leads me to the next hurdle here that I had to figure out, which is the subscription problem. And I'm sure all of you have been thinking about this probably since the beginning of this video, is how am I going to do all these Matterport scans and host them on my account? The hosting is a big problem here. So what I've done to get around this problem, and people have been pretty on board with it, hasn't been much of an issue, which is when I first talk to a construction company about doing this service for them, I tell them straight off the bat that they need to sign up for their own Matterport account and host all their scans themselves. And it makes sense for multiple reasons. One, we can't host them all. We don't want to be paying crazy Matterport fees for hosting all these scans on our own account for years to come, because they're just going to accumulate and you can't ever turn them off. You know, it's not like a real estate listing that expires and then, you know, you archive that and now you have more spaces available to you in your Matterport account. These are going to stay live forever. So we can't host these because it just wouldn't make sense financially. It would just erase any sort of financial gain we got from doing the scans themselves. So it's just silly. So we need to offload them to them, the companies themselves, to host themselves in their own Matterport account. So have them open a Matterport account and then do the scans yourself. And then once they're completed and they pay for the scan, I don't transfer any scans until they're paid for. Once the invoice is paid, I transfer them to their account and they accept the scan. It's out of my account. I do archive a copy in my account just to keep for, you know, safekeeping. So I do recommend you do that, but you can offload them all to their account and then, you know, your account's not getting bogged down by, you know, hundreds of these scans. So some thoughts on how to connect with construction companies to get these sort of gigs. You know, one thing I'd recommend, like I said, my first came from a referral from a realtor that I work for. Definitely utilize your realtor contacts for this. You know, if you could ever get a shoot that's new construction, just ask them, hey, who's the construction company? You know, I offer this Matterport service. It's been really helpful for other construction companies, maybe even if you haven't done one yet, but just say that, you know, and see if you can get their, you know, name and contact and reach out to them. But yeah, also just pay attention in the neighborhoods you're in while you're working, shooting. You see a house being built, most of the construction companies, at least around me, when the house is being built, they have a huge sign out front. It says such and such construction and their phone number on it. You know, take a quick picture of that sign with your phone and reach out to them and tell them about this service, and they may be thrilled to hear about it, because I'm telling you, every new client that I get for this is like, wow, this is game changing. They're so like stoked on it and over the moon about it once you do it for them. And like, they're like, I wish I had known about this a long time ago. And they're just so grateful for it. I'm telling you, like, they're going to be glad to hear about it. It's not a hard sell. All right, so the last thing I'll mention here, which is actually a really big thing because it compounds the potential even more here, which is, you know, as soon as I get involved with these construction companies, they hire me to do these Matterports, and this is just a way in to, you know, further sell them on other services. So I immediately tell them, hey, like, once this house is complete or your other projects are complete, I do a lot of photo and video work for other construction companies of their finished product, which is, you know, true. So, you know, I can photograph this for you for your portfolio, your website, your socials, you know, all of that. And again, you can charge them commercial rates for this, not real estate rates. So, you know, you can up your rates for these things and charge even more money for commercial. And, you know, and these are some of the most killer, you know, houses a lot of the times. You know, a lot of these houses, at least around here, are like luxury houses. So like, some of them are like portfolio worthy houses, and you get to shoot, you know, photographs of and videos of to make really awesome stuff and content for yourself too. So I'm just saying it's a huge win here all around, because it leads to other things. It also got me connected with a few architects. So, you know, there's just huge potential here in this construction space. And this Matterport thing is like just a way into it. It just gets you through the door to, you know, sell these further services to them. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate your support. Again, don't forget about the RS5 giveaway. If you want to win this bad boy, you know, go over to Instagram and follow me there at Burke Multimedia and just DM me RS5 and you're entered to win. Also, take a look down in the description of this video. I got links to our sponsor Pixelmod down there if you're looking for editing services. You know, they're a great resource. Also, I got links to gear recommendations, editing practice packs that I have created myself, sky replacement pack, a lot of great resources down there. So check that out. Thanks again so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.